What's going on, YouTubers? It is me, System Sensor 250, and welcome back to another brand new video. And guys, today's video, we're going to be doing another smoke alarm test video. And guys, I haven't done it since 2 weeks. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed your amazing spring break. So we're now going to be doing the smoke alarm since I got back. So yep, today we're going to be doing the smoke alarm test number 16. 16. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Now, before we get right into today's video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and please don't forget to smash the bell button. If you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Just contact me in the comments, or you can chat me on the Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's go ahead and get started the smoke alarm test. So I just actually done some elevators while I was in spring break. So make sure you guys check out the amazing hydraulic elevator. So yeah. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get started the smoke alarm test video. We will go ahead and now starting. Here we go. Two more to go. Oh, that was a quick press. Let's do one more. Well, that's how it makes the experience smoke alarm test. Let's take the battery out. Well, guys, that's going to be the end of the smoke alarm test video. And guys, it's not coming to an end of the smoke alarm. There's more smoke alarm videos actually coming up. I'm just gonna let you know that we're actually done the smoke alarm test number 16. And there you go. Smoke alarm is up in the shelf. And I forgot to tell you what it is of the smoke alarm, so I'm just gonna tell you right now. The one I'm actually testing is the First Alert CL400 carbon monoxide, known as the smoke alarm. So I call that smoke alarm. And on top of the shelf right there is the Family Guard FG-888D. There you go. Anyways, let's wrap. What do you think of the smoke alarm test video? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Before we end up with today's video, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and please don't forget to smash the bell button. If you do guys have any questions, so you know what to do, just contact me in the comments, or you can chat me on the Discord as well too, aka my Discord server. Guys, please don't forget to check out my latest video through my homepage as well too. And guys, please don't forget to check out the Greenville updates. Greenville just keep releasing new updates, and that is so insane. If you do guys want to check out the Greenville updates, you can do that. Just go to Discord and join Greenville. And guys, just letting you know, make sure you guys check out my first and second. Make sure you guys check out my second and third YouTube channel. And make sure you guys subscribe. And one to mention, it is actually a lot greener. It is actually spring. A lot greener. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you guys back later in the next video. Peace.